Confessions of a room. What? Confessions of a room. What? Yeah, I was born in the ghetto, grew up broke. Did what I had to do to keep my head up and wrong. Confessions of a room. What? It's a confession of a room. What? I'm going home June 7th. Where at? Kingston 11, best believe that anything will go down. Confessions of a room. What? It's the confessions of a room. Father, please forgive my indiscretion. It's been 20 years since I gave my last confession. Got so many tears, forgiveness might be beyond the question. But you say all I gotta do is start to do the rest. Love to talk to steal against the names of disrespect me. Ain't gon' say how many, had to put a few in check. I'm the type to do whatever to keep my command. Always pretend to plug. My enemies to know I'm dead. Eyes only through you. Nobody could tell me shit. Streets ain't nothing cute. My enemies, I'm getting you. That stock in your show. That's my covenant for government. And to tell you the truth, I would love to trick of you. My phone was that broke. Wouldn't only come home. He about getting dough. I ain't gonna go out like that now. I'm going home to the ghetto cause that's home. Yeah, I was born in the ghetto, grew up broke. Did what I had to do to keep my head up and wrong. Confessions of a room. What? This a confessions of a room. What? I'm going home June 7th. Where at? Kingston 11, best believe that anything will go down. Confessions of a room. What? It's the confessions of a room. All I know is I don't got a clue but my position. I done some good, I done some bad, don't know my true religion. But I made the bed I laid, and I hope these kids will listen. Always too good over evil, make the right decision. But I tell you boy, I'm a renegade. Shot the sheriff cause he was my enemy. Stuck a liquor store just for the Hennessy. When I'm standing two chickies on Tennessee. The life phones living a fantasy. Always shoot such a hand in the felony. Chasing green up pussy with 100. I do what I do for adrenaline. If something was missing, I knew it. I gotta be honest, my homie, I blew it. I'm singing and rocking and busting my chrome. I give it my family, give it my home. Them demons and ghouls just steady pursue me. I'm recognized by people who knew me. That way I'm here fixing up and I'm blown. Feeling my guts, I don't